Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, the grace upon a child need to be protected. The grace that your children carries on their head need to be protected. I keep on telling parents, don't allow anybody to lay their hands on the head of your children. Protect their glory. For May Edochie to carry this grace, thanks to her mother, because you see that May Edochie is a child that the mother protected very well. That's why you see that grace, it throw away like oil. Many of you watching me here now, some of you have that kind of grace, but because some mothers were not protective enough, those grace, they don't block the ways. Many people are blessed, but their grace, they shine again. Do you know why? Because grace attracts enemy. Anybody way oil they overflow for your head, they attract enemy, they attract evil people. Those things, they always call for darkness. Because the light, anywhere where you enter, your light go to shine. Every darkness around you, it will off them. So you are noticed. When sun they shine, now they see them for everywhere. They shine, they overshadow everywhere. So that is how your grace is. And the enemies, they are always after people that have that kind of grace. E.g., Grandpapa Pitts. This matter when I carry can't give una, so make una balance where we tell listener. Make una balance where. May Edochie is a blessed woman. She have the grace, not because a pastor prayed for her, not because Yul Edochie left her. This woman have a grace. Like I said in the beginning, I said the mama pamper her, the mama protect her. That's why you see that oil, see the overflow for her head. Because many of us, we have this oil. But because our parents were not protective, any church, any place that they carry children, they carry their head. Everybody, they touch their head. Every saloon, different saloon. Now that they carry children, they go. You don't have one particular customer. Today, you there for saloon today you do Oshodi for saloon. The next day you do Ojo Elekba saloon. You dey waka everywhere. They carry pikin head. They go different places. Now so they will take steal that glory. Now so they'll take door the glory. Now so they'll take calm the glory. And it take the grace of God to rise it. So May Edochie have this natural light on her head. Natural anointed oil on her head where they overflow. Which have drawn the attention of Grandpapa. He did not draw it now. He drew it when his son got married to May Edochie. That's why he gave his son different kind of juju and charms. Say make he put for house, make it tie May Edochie down. That time when Yul Edochie married May Edochie, during those time, Amobingo was using the glory of May Edochie. May Edochie they walk, monkey they walk, babu they chop. You never see that kind of thing. Okay. Some people they are making the money. Or when somebody starts using them spiritually, now that person go they work the money, now that person go they count the money. Person cannot give accountability of that money. That means they don't already put spiritual baskets for that person hand. You are just working for other people to eat. Your money is being collected, physical or spiritual, anyhow, that they collect them. But that will not stop you not to be successful. You will be successful. You will be making the money. But somebody else have the spiritual basket in your hand. That money, the person not will ever use and do better thing. If you even buy house, that has problem go come, you go sell her. If you buy land, now so there's problem go come, the land go buy, quarter go come, you will still return the land. That person, they've already put in a spiritual basket on their hand. Exactly the story of May Edochie. When his son married May Edochie, he saw the glory, he saw the star. Now he can say, Maria. They married this woman finish. The sun was using the glory of May Edochie to shine. May Edochie was successful. She was working. But the person where they shine, now her husband. Nobody even heard about her. Nobody even talk about May Edochie. In the beginning, we don't even know say this man was married. You see this yo, I'm a bingo. We never knew he was married. Now when he grants one interview, say I've been married for 15 years or so, I'll be 10 years or so, I don't remember again. Everybody shouts. So this man is married with his a young boy. That was how they dim the light of May Edochie. They off that light of that woman. They were using it. And yo can use it because they are spiritually connected. That's why before you marry person, you need to be careful of the kind of person you're taking your energy to. May not be person where you can suppress you. Instead of you to meet somebody that will make your energy too high, you can't go meet the one where go suppress them. That was the condition of May Edochie in that marriage. Since when May Edochie can't carry her bag, say, it don't finish. She don't work her own, she don't come out. They can't invest. The anger in them is not May Edochie walking away. The anger in them is that light that she took away. That grace when they carry come out. Woman just leave you automatically. You became a vegetable. If you do advert, if you add film, everything where they do, no success. Because May Edochie was able to set herself free from those bondage and she left. So that grace now, that light of May Edochie, she don't carry or follow body, which they are not happy about. All this why they were quiet. They've tried everything possible to reverse this thing. You know they work. So not until May Edochie did that at Amazon, that a product will go Amazon. These people really vessel. See this May Edochie product will enter Amazon. The thing reverse them. It verse them not be small. After that video don't go viral. Grandpapa don't wash him. The man go sit down, they think of the life of his son. When Grandpapa saw the video, this man mind twists. When Grandpapa saw that video, the man mind twists. He might change. The man was not happy. He was not happy. See the way she's going higher and higher. Why his son remain a fulefu for Nollywood. After Grandpapa watched this video finish, he called his son. He asked his son, say, which position you dey right now with your life and your career? Now you tell the papa, say, where you want making day? Where do you expect him to be? He'll never finish. He tell the papa, say, make your papa go a page. Make papa go see. Somebody paid him, make he do advert for him. He never even put the advert for there. The comment section alone go pursue people. The comment section, you say go pursue people. He put the adverts for a page. If you see what people are writing, he say may still use that one, still take draw big ones. With people where you see that advert, who won't come with them. Now you tell papa, say, in the where you wish him to be, where you pray make him be, now in day. Now papa comes and say, what about your career? Now you tell papa, say, until they tell you one day, say, you know the art again. Before you go know the position of a career. If they tell you, say, nobody they call him again. Nobody they call him. The frustration in him, he no fit explain. He's just pretending to let the whole world know say he's okay. Deep inside him, he know that he's gone. Now papa tell him, say, he not tell you, say, make you hide this Juju Ekwensu. If to say you listen to her, you for not dey this situation when you dey. Now papa can't tell you, say you say make you not worry. Say he go call him back. Don't tell you say me you no worry. He go call him back. Say the reason why he make him call him, he won't just know how you dey. Do you know that this grandpapa can't go do small burukere waka? As he do burukere waka, they can't tell him what he go do. Now grandpapa can't go back. He can't go call you. As he call you, now he can't tell you. Say you, say sir. He say where your marriage ring. Now you say the marriage ring. He say Juju Ekwensu. He dey with Juju Ekwensu. My lovely fans. The ring wey make Edochie do marriage. He say he dey with Juju Ekwensu. Now papa say a ring go dey with Juju Ekwensu. You say na so he see and say now you say there was something that came up and the thing come up. So the ring ended in Juju Ekwensu hand. Now I come ask you say what of the one wey dey me Edochie hand? One way he dey with me Edochie system. Now you tell papa say that one not be the original ring. He say he can go buy wetin resemble that one. Give me Edochie. He said the original one. He said Juju Ekwensu carry am. Now papa tell you say make you make sure say he bring that ring. That ring, the original ring where they take marry. The papa say make you go bring her come. He say won't use and take work for you. Now you can't tell papa say he don't know whether Juju Ekwensu go still see that ring go because he don't take Juju Ekwensu collect and he don't know what Juju Ekwensu use and do. Juju Ekwensu not come give him again. He have to go and carry something like that look like exactly this ring go give me Edochie. Telling me Edochie say na the same thing, but it was not the same thing. Now papa could tell her say he need the ring. Now papa now you can ask papa say why. Now papa tell her say he don't go somewhere. He don't go somewhere. They don't tell him what he go do. Wey be say you will return back to the normal you where you be before. Where people go love you, you have fans flowing all around you. He say he don't waka the place, he don't go. But according to them, they say they need your wedding ring. That thing we band una together. Now they won't use to do the work. Now papa tell and say that thing they won't use to do the work. If you bring the ring, that's me Edochie luck, that is star, that is glory, that is light. They will exchange it to you with that ring. But they need the original wedding ring. Now you papa tell you say make you find the ring come. He say once that ring reach the hand, he say you will go and testify. They say by the time they do the work, na cow, now you take one thank them. Because they saw a very rich woman. A woman that is very rich. A woman that if they do this work for your son, the way your son will take blow. They told grandpapa say, but there is one thing. If they do this work, if they use that ring to exchange the glory. They say there is one thing. That you will never ever break the heart of me Edochie. Say we never. He said the day, anytime when this woman heart break, we make her cry. He said your son will go down. And everything will scatter. He said your son must always make sure that this woman is happy. He said your son must always make sure that this woman is happy. Never to break her heart again. Because if it happen for the second time, your son will buy. Now he tell you say bring the ring. Finally, solution to your problem don't come. Grandpapa tell his son, say my son don't worry. He say all this celebration, everything we me Edochie they do so. He say very soon will return to you. He say whether you don't forget the time when he was married to me Edochie. when me Edoche never find anything, when her heart never break, when she still dey pray for you. He said, you remember, say all these things when me Edoche they do, now you they do. You say yes. Your papa say, bring the ring. They will do everything. He said they give am something may put for mouth. Say, every day may they call me Edoche. Every day. Make it a caller. Every day. Once they bring the ring, once then they start the work for that side. Then the thing where they give grandpapa, make it put for mouth. You go put that thing for mouth. You think they call me Edoche every day for good 7 days. You go, they call me Edoche. That means they are calling her star, calling her glory. Then the people where they do the juju work for corner, as grandpapa they call me Edoche, go call her every morning. Hello, how you dey? How the children? How your family? Hope you are okay. Take care of yourself. Oh, I love you. Bye bye. Then the second day go still call her again. Hope you dey fine. I'm just checking on you. I'm so worried about you. I just, my spirit is just telling me to call you. You are really a strong woman. May Edoche for her mind now go say, oh, these people are caring. She no go know say na mission they dey. But me Edoche already know this family. But to this extent, I don't think. To this extent, I don't think me Edoche know them. So you see people where they call you every day, every blessed day, where you dey? What you they do? You don't eat. You think it's caring? Some are caring, no, don't get me wrong. Some are caring, maybe your husband or your children. But sometimes that same your husband can also be a dangerous tool. Just the way you is now. Not be me Edoche husband, but look at the extent when the papa they go. Because they won't return the glory. They won't collect me Edoche glory. They won't give their son, make it a glow again. You, they don't put spiritual basket for your hand. You can walk 200 million naira. All we enter spiritual hand. All we enter spiritual basket. So the Father want to do exchange of glory. Why did they do the work? He go they call me Edoche every day. Now they say, now he can't tell his son, say, make his son just try. Make it try. May bring that ring. Make it bring come. Wonder shall never end, though. Wonder shall never end. Now this one make many people, when they are successful, they hide it from the public. When God bless them, they hide it from the public. That's why not everybody is meant to give testimony. Some people, they'll just be telling them, come and give your testimony. Come and give out your testimony. You worsen the problem. Testimony are given by people that are spiritually protected. As they give testimony for them, some evil eye, they throw arrow, they give themselves. They're not going to know. So now it can be this. So thank God bless and God they give testimony. Okay now, we shall see. What's it? Grandpapa don't tell you, you say me go bring the ring. Make it bring ring. May they take walk. May they take exchange. This light of me Edoche when his son carry they use. When the body they shaka for social media. If you won't know people where they use people glory, now so they build. They are downfall. They are downfall. They shake. No see you the way this man they fall nyakata for ground. Your own wife. They use a star. They use a glory. My people, wonder shall never end. Leave your comment in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.